Good day, ladies and gentlemen, especially to our dear panelists. Today, I will be presenting our research proposal, but first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jennifer Ayala. So, our research proposal entitled Crafting Cocktails for Health-Conscious Customers, Guyabano Lambanog Cocktail. This study seeks to provide a healthy beverage for those health-conscious customers. There are many crafting cocktails that the customers desire for lower alcohol content, less sugar, and an overall healthier drinking experience. This means that alcohol-related health problems in this age group may decrease despite persistent addictions problem and short or long-term health consequences. Despite the promising results, the authors emphasize the needs for further research as it is not known whether the significant reduction of alcohol consumption in young adults will be sustained later life. Nowadays, almost everyone drinks alcohol, especially the youngsters. The reason it is because through alcohol, they use it is as the coping mechanism for emotional problems like anxiety, depression, and stress. But also, they drink alcohol to relieve stress, feel more relaxed from all the stress they are carrying out all day. Although drinking too much can cause high blood pressure, which increases your risk of having heart attack or stroke. Why did you choose this study? Our group decided to study about the crafting a cocktail to provide a healthier Goyabano Lambanog cocktail for those health conscious customers and become the customers are becoming more concerned about their health, and we significantly want to provide a cocktail that has benefits for health conscious. The benefits of the product: the through the Guyabano and Lambanog, we can produce a healthy, nutrient, and non-chemical beverage. This Guyabano, this Guyabano is a fruit that provides antioxidant, antihypertensive, antiparaseptic, and anti-inflammatory. That is good for the body, while the lambanog, it can actually promote your heart health and reducing the risk of developing any cardiovascular diseases. So, if we drink lambanog regularly, you may significantly reduce the risk of having a heart failure, but it has to be in moderation. However, drinking too much wine can destroy your liver. The statement of the problem. Ay, the statement of the problem seeks to answer the following questions. Number one, how can we create a cocktail that offers both nutritional benefits and an enticing flavor profile? Number two, what is the level of performance of Guayabano Lambanog cocktail when it comes to following the attributes like the appearance, aroma, and taste? Number three, what are the best Lambanog and Guayabano varieties to use, and how can we ensure the consistent, high-quality ingredient for the cocktail? What strategies can be employed to visually showcase the health benefits and taste of Lambanog and Guayabano cocktail? The scope and delimitation of the study. The research focuses on crafting cocktails using the Lambanog and Guayabano, which are both available in the locality. Acceptability of the product developed was determined by conducting a product test survey with 20 respondents from Cabugao, Ilocos Sur. The both quantitative and qualitative data were gathered, and the quantitative data were obtained from the results of the consumer survey and evaluation conducted with the respondents. The qualitative data were gathered also from the group of discussion and feedback of participants during the product testing. The product the conduct of the consumer survey was limited only to 20 participants because of the limited number of available respondents. The assumptions and hypotheses. The assumption and hypotheses are the following are the assumptions and hypotheses. We assume that the study will be the balancing health and taste for that appeals the health conscious customers while ensuring an enjoyable taste and experience. Our second assumption is the ingredient selection quality, selecting the right lambanog and goyabano varieties and ensuring the consistent, high quality ingredients for the cocktail. And lastly, the effective presentation and marketing are crucial for attracting the health conscious customers. The hypothesis of our study is that the product prepared will be eye appealing and well balanced in taste, flavor, apart from being beneficial to health conscious customers. The project will be able to give a new face to all common cocktails. Our methodology our methodology consists of the research design, population of sample, data gathering procedure, data gathering instrument, and statistical treatment, and the ethical considerations. In the research design, the researchers will both use the quantitative and qualitative method of research. We will use the quantitative data to obtain the result from the consumer survey and evaluation conducted with the respondents. And while the qualitative data were gathered also from the discussion and feedback of the respondents during the product test, and these cases will focus on the balance, health, taste, ingredients selection and quality, the presentation and marketing. The population and sample. This study will take in Cabugao, Ilocos Sur, and will focus on the appearance, aroma, and taste of the Goyabano Lambanog cocktail. There will be 20 respondents, which includes the 10 customers, 5 local bartenders, and 5 bar managers, equivalent to 20 respondents residing at Cabugao, Ilocos Sur. We will use the conduct of the product test survey of different three varieties of cocktails using the percentage. Since the product test survey is in numerical in nature, we will use a 5-point Likert scale to measure the responses of our respondents. The rating scale is the 5 strongly agree, 4 the agree, 3 the neutral, 2 disagree, and the 1 strongly disagree. The data gathering procedure. In respondent selection, the probability sampling method was used in collecting responses. The researchers especially used the simple random sampling being select as to generate the 20 respondents while collecting the data. In conducting the survey, the researchers will disseminate the research survey and the test along with the product testing. The statistical treatment, the data gathered in this study will be scored tallied manually and treatment statistically using the following tools. Number 1, the frequency and percentage describe the sensory attributes of the health-conscious customers in Cabugao, Ilocos Sur in terms of appearance, aroma, and taste. And secondly, the mean to determine the balance of health and taste of crafting cocktails for health-conscious customers, the Guyabano Lambanog cocktail. Who will benefit the study? Furthermore, the result of the study will be beneficial to researchers, respondents, the hospitality industry, the future mixology, the future researchers, as it will help them to understand the benefit of crafting cocktails for health-conscious customers for the Guyabano Lambanog cocktail. And that would be all. Thank you. 11.